Welcome to Cocoloche. Cocoloche is an exclusive property located in Playa Venao, Pedasi, a tropical paradise tucked away from the spotlight and becoming the next top destination in coastal living. Only a 1 hour flight from Panama City, this community boasts some of the best surfing and sport fishing in Central America, a vibrant hub of trendy hotels, restaurants, and nightlife, attracting beach lifestyle enthusiasts from around the world. Populated by a mixed international community that includes celebrities, locals, and people seeking a relaxed, unique, and exclusive lifestyle. Next to this vibrant community, we have Cocoloche, consisting of 12 acres of land with 15 meters of beachfront in an exclusive white sand cove. A one-of-a-kind property that includes tide pools, abundant wildlife, and an amazing Pacific Ocean, sunrise and sunset views. Cocoloche's story begins with its carefully crafted environment, created through the vision of owner and renowned landscape designer Edwina von Gal. This spectacular and unique property features 5 private villas overlooking the ocean. Whether you are an eco-conscious developer seeking an opportunity in the next top destination, or a nature enthusiast seeking a refuge from the stress and complexity of modern life, Cocoloche offers a sanctuary like no other. Contact us to learn more about this limited investment opportunity.